In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of MooMoo Canada, a trading app that's gained popularity for combining low fees with powerful tools. If you're a Canadian investor deciding whether MooMoo is a good fit, here's my take on what works well, what you should watch out for, and who it's ideal for. First, the strengths. MooMoo Canada offers very competitive pricing, with per-share fees that make it attractive for both small trades and more active investing. It supports Canadian registered accounts like TFSA and RSP, which is a big win if you're investing in a tax-advantaged way. The platform is powerful. You get advanced charting, real-time market data, technical indicators, and even a paper trading mode to practice strategies without risking real money. Plus, the educational content is solid, useful for both beginners and more experienced traders wanting to level up. Another big plus is how polished the interface feels. MooMoo's mobile and desktop versions are smooth, responsive, and designed for serious analysis, not just casual browsing. If you like using charts, comparing technical signals, and placing trades with thoughtful strategy, MooMoo gives you the tools. But there are trade-offs. For high-volume traders, the per-share fee model may add up quickly. It's not always the cheapest option for large, frequent trades unless you're very careful. Some users have noted limitations around order types. Certain advanced or conditional orders aren't fully supported yet, which can be frustrating for more complex strategies. Another concern is data access. Free Level 2 or more detailed market data tiers may now require higher activity or asset balance thresholds to unlock. Customer support has had mixed reviews. Some people report delays when they need help with withdrawals or account issues. And although MooMoo Canada is regulated and protected under investor protection frameworks, it's still important to understand exactly how your assets are handled and what protections apply. So, who is MooMoo Canada best for? It's especially great for Canadian investors who want to trade stocks and ETFs without breaking the bank. People who value advanced charting tools and technical analysis. Long-term investors using TFSA or RSP accounts. Traders who want to practice with paper trading before risking real money. On the other hand, you might choose something else if you trade very large volumes or very frequently and want a flat or capped fee structure. Need very advanced or conditional order types that MooMoo doesn't fully support. Rely heavily on premium market data but don't meet the usage or balance threshold. My verdict is that MooMoo Canada is a highly capable and modern broker that offers an excellent balance of cost and functionality for many Canadian investors. It's not perfect, but for active traders or serious beginners who care about analysis and tools, it's absolutely worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you've used MooMoo Canada or are thinking about opening an account. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and easy-to-understand investing app reviews.